So yes, I am blind. I'm definitely going to have to wash this out my hair because it got makeup in it. Well, I'm gonna say I love the style. I love the style. I don't really like the hair because the hair is stiff. I purchased this hair with my own money because like I said, I'm trying out vendors for the line. So this hair right here, I love the style, I love the color, but the quality of it, I don't like the quality. That's it. I don't want to keep y'all long. This is a simple look that I did to go with this hairstyle. I only did this simple look because I said, like, you know, it's blonde. I really want the blonde to stand out. So let's just do something really simple with the eyes, but yet, you know, still a little bit bold. If y'all know what I'm saying. So like the glitter liner just made it pop. That's what I was going for, and I achieved it, and it's so pretty. I think you all could definitely do this at home. Y'all can do this at home. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. I am going to take my Jackie Aina palette, y'all, and we're gonna dab right into this. We actually can use this whole palette if you want to create a look out of here, but I want to take credit. Take my medium shader brush. It's dry, but I'm going to tap this. I'm gonna take my Domonique Cosmetics palette. Grab this color right here. It's called Suede. Just tapping this out. Go in and I'm gonna start blending to see how that was gonna look. All right, so I'm taking my Morphe 535 brush and I am taking ginger. We just going whatever, y'all. So this is basically like a look that you can just do. You have to add black with it. Y'all know me, I love black because it just adds depth to the eyes. Wipe this brush off and use the same one. I'm gonna add this color on top of the ginger right here out of the Sunset palette, and then I'm gonna go back in and add ginger. So I'm using this big fluffy brush because I want it to be like airbrushed. That's why. Take another 535 brush onto my magic palette, and I'm gonna grab Nene, and I'm staying low. I'm gonna add shimmer shade. I don't know which one yet, but I know it's gonna be like real glittery, and I'm gonna add black to this. This band was like really hurting my head. Like I couldn't do it, but it was like trying to really melt this into my head. Once the foundation is on, it'll probably be fine. Oh, I can't stay away from white diamonds. My eyebrows look so good. Sacha looks pretty. I just want to take my lash glue. Do some abstract stuff and like cross it and then do a black liner like that. But I don't know. I can't try it today, y'all. So I applied all my primers. I don't know if y'all heard it or my mic was like off, but I applied all my primers. Now it's time to basically, you can put powder on your face, but I don't do it because it just, I don't know, it's just a thing to me. I'm taking my 420 Profiltr long wear foundation. Put this on first. I like to put this only in the center of my face. Anastasia foundation. Concealer is my basic concealers that I always go on with, y'all. So I'm going in with the gel liner. I did have what's called underneath, but I wiped it off. This is number 68. I want to put some underneath, but then I don't. We're not gonna put anything under the eyes. We're going to just put the bottom lash lines. We're gonna do mascara though. I add blush. I'm gonna add my Just Peachy blush. So we're gonna add these lashes. These are from Tati Lashes. These are the Mitchell and Tati Lashes collaboration. I'm gonna add these at the bottom. So I'm making my cube as well. I'm actually using this as like a liner, y'all. Let's try concealer. I think I'm gonna do Butterscotch. I think I'm gonna do Butterscotch concealer. As for gloss, I am gonna take, I wish I had Oyster Girl, but this is very light for MAC. Extra, so I'm gonna put a little clear on top. I'm gonna spray my face. And we done, y'all. So I'm gonna go put on my outfit, probably fix my brows a little bit on camera, and I'm gonna come right back so that we can see this final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. Don't forget to go follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook, and also don't forget to go follow me on TikTok. I was just doing a video too. I will leave the code right here so that y'all can go follow me. If y'all enjoyed this video, let me know. And until then, we're gonna come back with another banger because I'm coming at you with these videos. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.